Hi, you are watching Tech Today and this is MS Excel Self-Learning Tutorial Session 2. In my previous video, I covered some very basic stuff on MS Excel. You can watch that video by clicking the link given in the description. Today in this video, I will tell you about the various filter options that we can use in Excel for simplifying the data and analyze it better. So let's get started with filter function. To use filter function, go to Home tab. Within Home tab, go to Sort and Filter option and select Filter. You will get these small tabs on headers. On clicking these tabs, you will get filter options. So as we are in name column, by clicking this tab, we will get some options and all the names of the students on which we would be using this filter function. Now let's go to text filter option, where we will get options to put various filtering criteria. If you can see here, we have options like equal, does not equal, begins with, ends with, so on and so forth. So let's start with option equal. In this option, we can filter with exact match what we will mention here in this field. As I am writing one of the names here, and see, we have got this filtered out name. Now again click on the tab and check on select all option to use other filter option. Let's use option begins with. Let's try to filter names start with letter S. See, all the names which start with letter S have got filtered out. Similarly, let's try with some other letter like K. See, we have got our result. Let's color these filtered names. Name which begins with letter L are these ones. Let's highlight them in different color. Now go to the next filter option, which is ends with. Here we will get an output for the names which ends with letter I like this. Let's try to use letter K. So these are the names in the list which ends with letter K. Let's give them another color. Now let's learn another option which is contains. This option gives the result if the entered text is present in any of the names. Let's see if letter Z or letter Z present in this list. Yes, we have got 4 names here. I am highlighting these also in a different color. Now similarly, you can use does not contain filter option and try to find out a name which does not contain a particular letter. Like these names don't have letter A in their spelling. If you will change the criteria like I am doing here, the output will also change. Now let's move to the custom filter option. Here you can use combinations of 2 selection criteria and with and or option. We have all these criteria under each option. Let's use in the first option as name begins with. I am using letter A here and selecting end condition here. And in the second option I am selecting name ends with letter I and click OK. I have got names here. Let's highlight it. If you will change the condition from and to or, it will give a different result. It will give results which are true for both the conditions. Here we will get names which start with letter A, and along with that we will also get the names which end with I. And in this corner you can also see the count of filtered out output which you have got using the selection criteria. You can use these filter options on any column. Let's see an example with filtering students as per marks scored in English subject. So let's select criterion greater than. Here I am giving input as 70. So we have got students who have scored marks greater than 70 in English subject. So here we can see we have got 62 students out of 222. Now out of these 62 students, let's see how many have scored greater than 80 marks in science subject. So on the filtered criteria, I will put another filter on science subject. So we have got 23 students who have scored greater than 70 marks in English subject and greater than 80 marks in science. Now let's also filter out students who have scored greater than 400 marks. Oops! 400 is the maximum marks here. So let's try with greater than 300 marks. So we have got 14 students. Now let's remove the filter selection. To remove the filter selection, go to sort and filter option again and click filter here. Let's apply these filter tabs again for one more filter option. If you would have noticed, I was highlighting filtered output in different colors. It was to show you another selection criteria, which is colors. So if you click this option, which is filter by color, you will get list of colors which we highlighted during using the text filter option. So now you can also recall your results at one click of the mouse on these colors like this. This will make your work easier and more simpler. So that's it in this video, guys. I will keep on bringing tips and tricks on Microsoft Office. Please share your views in the comment section. If you need a video on a specific subject, you can also mention that in comment section. Please subscribe this channel, like this video if you have really liked it, and share. I will be back with the next session soon on Microsoft Excel to enhance your knowledge. Thanks for watching.